is going on, everybody? How's it going? Good to see you guys again. This is Adventures with Rory. Today we are going on the most truest adventure. We are moving. Alright, so with just under 2 hours remaining, we are still 2 hours away. I did not expect to be driving this long and still making great time. New mailbox, new bag, and new key. We're gonna go check out my apartment now. Now begins the fun part. We unpack this car into my apartment. Let's do this. One thing about this place is the cabinets are extremely high in comparison. Normally they'd be more of like down here. They have to go all the way up here, you know. So in comparison, like, there's a huge gap compared to where it is now. It's like ceiling height. I would have been fine if there was extra room on the top, but you know. So I just got my bowls and plates in. Now it's time to turn my attention to cups and mugs and all that. That's gonna go right here, is what I'm thinking. So we're gonna put everything in there and just kind of see how it goes. Since I did any more content. I was busy moving into the apartment here, and it's beautiful. I'll tell you that right now. Let's take a final look. So this room here is the is the first bedroom that we can go into. That's the bathroom we just came out of. Like I mentioned, like I did a little tour earlier where I kind of walked around. You walk around in here. Hello, recognize this? I do. So you can walk in and out of this bathroom here. This one's kind of open to the public, but it's also direct access to that bedroom. We got my ironing board set up for work. We got a nice fridge. And all of these appliances that came with the unit, minus the toaster oven. I brought that. So we have all of these wonderful items. I cooked some nice dinner last night. I had sweet potatoes. It was delicious. In here is just the standard washer dryer unit with a heating system in the corner over there. Not gonna really bore you guys too much about that. Set up a nice table yesterday. Got a nice little TV stand from home with the TV I got from college. And out here is my deck porch. I got some deck chairs. There's a Alfa Romero outside in front of me, which is beautiful. I love that car. And here is my bedroom. So I also get a private bathroom, and it goes down the lane here, and it has like my own little stand-up shower compared to the tub in the last bathroom. We got this mirror here, but it has all my stuff in it, so I'm probably going to be using the other bathroom because it's a cleaner background. But the bedroom itself is really nice. You know, I get my own closet where I can hang all my crap. Yeah. Here, keep some storage up here, and have some shoes down here, along with my guitar, which I'm going to learn. And yeah, this is pretty much the entirety of my apartment. You know, there's really Nothing, other than what you're seeing here. I could just drive around and show you guys the area, but it's just, a standard apartment complex. Now, I didn't vlog any of the actual building of any of the materials because my dad was there and I wanted just to spend quality time with him, which I guess is fair. But I'm gonna be more active now than I ever was, hopefully. Okay, so I know I promised an apartment complex tour. That's gonna come after dinner, or actually I'm making my lunch right now. It's gonna be roasted veggies that I got from the store. Right now, it's just gonna be beets, carrots, mushrooms. I can't do things right. One regular potato, some sweet potatoes down in there, Brussels sprouts, zucchini, and maybe some peppers. It's gonna be a lot, but it's gonna be fun. I'd rather have this because I want to be a big, strong, growing boy, and I know I'm just gonna get tired, and veggies. Meanwhile, I'm going to be watching the Misfits podcast on my computer. Shameless plug, but if you haven't checked them out, go ahead and do that. For tomorrow, I'm gonna cook me some dinner, which I'm just gonna have pasta with sauce. Something simple. I'm not gonna kill myself tonight.